Hello viewers, you're welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back again with another exciting topic on how to calculate your addition and subtraction of mixed fractions with different denominators. Okay, if you are watching, please watch and stay to the end. Learn one or two from fractions and like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section, share the video, and do not forget to lastly what? Subscribe. Now let's get right into it. Solution. Now question 1 says 5 wholes 1/4 plus 2 wholes 1/3. Now this simply means that we're going to do what? Either expand this fraction to be a what? A proper fraction, or sorry, to be an improper fraction, or we can add the two wholes together and then continue the addition like that. So we have different methods in solving questions like this. But let me show you the first method. We can either convert this to a proper fraction. I'm going to show you two methods on how to solve this. Okay? So I'm going to convert this first of all to an improper fraction and then solve it accordingly. While the second method, well, I'm going to add the wholes first before solving the fraction problem. Now method 1. So we'll call this method 1. Right, so we have 4 times 5. We're expanding this to an improper fraction, right? So we have 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21 over 4. Plus 3 times 3 is 6. And 6 plus 1 is 7 over 3. Now, looking at this denominators, they are different, right? 4 cannot go into 3 and 3 cannot go into 4 evenly. So we have to multiply the denominators to get our LCM, which is the lowest common multiple. So this becomes what? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 4. Sorry, 12 divided 4 is what? 3. 3 times 21 plus 12 divided 3 is 4. 4 times 7. Right? So we have 63 plus 4 times 7 is 28 over 12. So from here, we have 63 plus 28. That gives us 91 over 12. Okay? 91 over 12. And 91 will go into 12 7 times. Okay, let's do the division so I'll know how. So this is 12 and this is 91. 12 in 91 will go what? 7. 7 times 2, 14. Remember 1. 7 times 1, 7 plus 1, 8. So this gives us what? 7. So our final answer here is what? 7 whole number, 7 over 12. And this is the answer for the first method. Now, let's check out the second method. Method 2. 5 wholes 1/4 plus 2 wholes 1/3. Now this second method, we're first of all going to what? Add the whole numbers together. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Plus 4 times 3 equals what? 12. 12 divided 4 will give us 3. And 3 times 1 equals 3. Plus 12 divided 3 equals 4. And 4 times 1 equals 4. So the answer is 7 wholes 7 12. Out of these two methods, which would you go for? Or which would you prefer? The first method or the second method? Which is it going to be? Let's continue. Question 2. We have 1 wholes 1/2 plus 3 wholes 2/5 plus 3 over 10. Okay, I'm still going to use the two methods in solving this particular question. So we'll move on to method 1. which is to expand this mixed fraction to an improper fraction. All these mixed fractions. So let's expand it. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 2, plus 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17 over 5, plus 3 over 10. Okay? So we're going to look for the least common multiple, the lowest common multiple, which is 10, because 2 can go into 10 to give us a whole number. 5 can also go into 10 to give us a whole number. And also 10 can divide 10 to give us a whole number. So let's go. The LCM here is 10. 10 divided 2 is 5. 5 times 3 plus 10 divided 5 is 2. 2 times 17 plus 10 divided 10 is 1, and 1 times 3 equals 3. So we can expand the what? Bracket. So we have 5 times 3 equals what? 15, plus 2 times 17, that's 34, plus 3 over 10. Okay? Now we have 15 plus 34, that's 49, and 49 plus 3 equals 52 over 10. So from here we are going to convert it to a mixed fraction. So 10 will go into 52 how many times? 5 times, remainder 2 over 10. But mind you, we are not going to leave our answer like this, because this fraction to 10th can be reduced to its lowest term. So we're going to reduce the fraction to its lowest term, and that gives us what? 2 will go into 2, 1, and 2 into 10, 5. That leaves us with what? 5 wholes, 1/5. And that's the final answer. Now let's try the second method. Now method 2. The question says 1 wholes 1/2 plus 3 wholes 2/5 plus 3 over 10. Now this second method, we're going to add the two whole numbers together, and that leaves us with 1 plus 3 plus, now the LCM here is still 10. 10 divided 2 will give us 5. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 10 divided 5 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 10 divided 10 is 1, and 1 times 3 is 3. So we have 4 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 over 10. But you know, we can't leave our answer like this, because we have an improper fraction here. So we need to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction and then add it to the whole number here. Now 12 divided 10, this becomes 4 plus 10 will go into 12 ones, remainder 2 over 10. Now we add the two whole numbers together. This gives us 5 whole number, 2 over 10. So from here we can reduce the fraction. 2 here, 1, 2 in 10, 5. And this gives us 5 wholes, 1/5. You can see we've arrived at the same answer, right, using the two methods. So whichever method you feel is okay by you and is easier for you to follow to get your answers, please feel free to choose any of the methods. If you've watched to this point, please do also leave a comment at the comment section, like the video, and also subscribe. Let's continue. Now question 3. 5 wholes 7/9 minus 2 wholes 4/5. Now let's try out the first method. First method, we're going to convert them to what? To an improper fraction. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 7, that's 52 over 9. Minus 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14 over 5. Now, what's the LCM of 9 and 5? We're going to multiply them together. 9 times 5 equals 45. So we have 45. Now, 45 divided 9 will give us 5. Then 5 times 52 minus 45 divided 5 is 9. 9 times 14. So we're going to multiply them together. 5 times 52, that gives us 260, right? Minus 9 times 14, 126 over 45. Okay, so 260 minus 126 will give us what? That's 134 over 45. Now we're going to divide and then we'll get our answer. How many times will 45 go in 134? How many times? To go 2 times, and that gives us what? 90. Because if we say 3 times, we are going to get a number greater than 134, and that's not good for us. So we're going to go with a number lower than 135. So 45 times 2 is 90. Then we take away, we have what? 44. So the answer is 2 wholes 44 over 45. And that's the final answer. I hope this works for you. Let's try out the second method. Method 2. Five wholes 7/9 minus 2 wholes 4/5. So from here, we're going to subtract the what? Wholes from each other. Nine times 5 is still 45. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 5 times 7 minus 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 times 4. So from here, 5 minus 2 is what? 3. Plus 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 9 times 4 is 36 over 45. Right? So from here, we're already saying that we're going to have a negative answer, right? And 3 plus minus 1 will give us what? 2. So we're going to expand it, and this will be 2 plus 1, right? Plus 35 over 45 minus 36 over 45. So from here, we can now say 2 plus 45 over 45 plus 35 over 45 minus 36 over 45. Because if you expand this, 45 divided by 45 will give you 1, right? So this gives us what? So from here, you have 2 wholes plus 45 plus 35 minus 36 over 45. Since they are all having the same denominator, right? So we have 2 wholes plus 45 plus 35 is what? 80 minus 36 over 45. So this becomes 2 wholes 44 over 45. And that's the final answer. Right? Now let's move on to the last question. I know most of you will choose the first method because this second method seems a bit tedious. So let's move on to the last question. Question 4. 3 wholes 1/3 minus 1 wholes 1 over 5 minus 1 wholes 1 over 4. So the first method, we have 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 over 3. Minus 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5. Minus 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1. 5 over 4. So which number are we going to use here? 4 times 5 is 20, times 3 is 60. We have to multiply everything together because 10 cannot go into the 3 of them. 15 can't go either. Neither can 20 or 25 or 30. So we're going to go with what? 60. 60 divided by 3 is 20. So we have 20 times 10 minus 60 divided by 5 is 12. 12 times 6 minus 60 divided by 4 is, so that's 15 over 60. Sorry, not 15 over 60. 60 divided by 4 is 15. 15 times 7, that's 75. Because of space, I'm going to write it out here. 75 all over 60. So now let's continue. We have 200 minus 72 minus 75 over 60. 200 minus 72 give us what? 8. That's 122. 122 minus 75. That will give us 200 minus 72. 128, then minus 75. That will give us 63. Sorry, 53. 53 over 60. And that's the final answer, 53 over 60. Using the first method. Now, let's try the second method. Three wholes 1/3 minus 1 wholes 1/5 minus 1 wholes 1/4. So we're going to subtract the whole numbers from each other. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Right? So we're going to get the LCM, which is also 60. 60 divided 3 is 20. 20 times 1 is 20. 60 divided 5 is 12. 12 times 1 is 12. Minus 60 divided 4 is 15. And 15 times 1 is 15. So from here we have 1 wholes 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 minus 15. So okay, that's 8 minus 15 over 60. Right, so what are we going to do from here? We are going to add this 1 here to this equation so that we can have a positive answer. Now this becomes 1 over 1 plus 8 over 60 minus 15 over 60. Right? So from here we have what? 60 plus 8 minus 15 over 60. Do you know why we have 60 here? Because 60 divided 1 is 60. 60 times 1 is 60. Okay? Now 60 plus 8 gives us what? 68 minus 15 over 60. And our final answer is 53 over 60. Voila! And we've come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you've learned something new today regarding addition and subtraction of mixed fractions with different denominators. Please do well to like the video, leave a comment, leave a question in the comment section if you have any, and I'll answer them. And do not forget to share, and lastly subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.